Deep in the heart of an ancient forest, where sunlight danced through the trees, young Leo stood at the threshold of a secret older than time itself, a cave hidden by vines and whispered about in his grandfather's stories. The moment Leo touched the glowing crystals, he knew this was no ordinary cave. The walls hummed with energy.
In this video, we will use the Sora AI video generator to create a complete Pixar-style AI animation. From the script to the final video, everything will be covered. Learn how to generate consistent images, voiceovers, emotions, sound effects, and more. Everything will be explained step by step. Are you ready for this comprehensive tutorial? Before we dive in, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on the latest updates. So, without further delay, let's get started. First, we will generate video ideas and write a script for a short animated video. For this, I will be testing a newly launched AI tool, DeepSeek, a competitor to ChatGPT. Go to deepseek.com and click the Start Now button. Sign up using your email and password. After creating your account, you will be taken to the tool's clean and simple dashboard. For in-depth analysis, we have the Deep Think option, and for recent results, there is the Search option. You can also upload images or documents for more detailed and accurate results. Let's start with a basic text prompt, asking for short Pixar-style animation video ideas. You can adjust the video duration as needed, but I will ask for a 2 to 3 minute video. Once done, click the button and wait a few minutes for the results. Here are a couple of great video ideas. For comparison, you can also paste the same prompt into ChatGPT to see if the ideas differ. These results are good, but for the sake of this video, I will go with the DeepSeek suggestions. Let's copy this video idea. Now I will ask it to expand this idea into a complete video script by pasting it into the input box. And here we go. Scene-by-scene visuals, dialogues, and action lines. Now I will ask for image and video prompts based on these details. Include the subject, actions, background, and camera movements. You can see how each scene is defined with these details in mind. Now I will ask it to combine these elements into separate image and video prompts while keeping character consistency intact. Here we have the text prompts for images and videos. You can see our main character is clearly defined. We can even expand the first scene into more detailed shots. Here are some more comprehensive prompts for better image and video generation. Now, we will use these prompts to generate the images and videos. For image generation, I will use Leonardo AI. You can also try Pixar as a free alternative. As a quick tip, you can apply these different camera shots based on the scene. Copy the prompt and paste it into Leonardo AI's image generation tab. From the presets, choose the Flux Dev model. Select the 3D render style for Pixar-like images. Check the other settings, then click to generate. Here are the 4 results. They look more realistic than animated. Let's switch the model to Phoenix 1.0 and try again. These results look much better. To ensure consistency, copy the seed number by clicking the 3 dots and selecting Copy Seed. Paste it in by enabling the seed input option. Now copy the second scene prompt and generate the next image. Here we have another set of great images. Since we already have our character, I will copy the seed again to maintain consistency. Copy the next scene prompt text and paste it here. But as you can see, these final images look bizarre. We made a mistake. We did not specify the character's name and details. Let's copy the character info and paste it before the main prompt. Click the Generate button. Now we have images that are consistent with our first set. I will copy the next prompt text for the image generation and paste it here by keeping the character details. Now we are getting consistent results. By following this method, I will generate the images for all the scenes. Here we have consistent images for all the scenes. You can always tweak your prompts if the results are not as expected. Let's move to video generation using Sora AI. In a previous video, I gave a complete overview of this tool. Check the link in the description. Go to the Sora website. Under the Library section, create a new folder and give it a name. At the bottom, set the video generation settings. Choose the aspect ratio as landscape. With the basic plan, the resolution is up to 720p, but to save credits, I will go with 480p. Set the duration to 5 seconds with 1 video per generation. From the presets, choose No Style, since we are doing image-to-video generation. You can see the credits required per generation. Click the plus icon and upload the image. Copy and paste the scene description. Click Generate Video and wait a couple of minutes. Here is the output. This looks great. The camera movement is a bit fast, but it fits the scene. Click the button to download the video. As a quick update, you can include specific camera movements in your prompt for better control. Now, upload the second image. This time, I will paste the full scene description. Click on this button to generate the video. The cool thing, Sora sometimes gives you 2 video options to choose from. This one looks more accurate, so I will select it. Let's continue with the next scene. Upload your image, paste the description, and generate the video. Here is the final result. This one looks awkward. Don't worry, AI does some weird things. Re-upload the image. This time, paste only the main scene description and generate it again. Still not working? Click the Edit Prompt option. And the cool part is, we have different styles here. Instead of choosing from the list, click Manage. Click the plus icon. Give your preset a name. Instead of a long prompt, just use the scene image. Here, we have the description of the image style. Click on the Save button. Now select this preset. Try generating again. Still not accurate? Go back to the Manage and create a new preset. Upload the image again and try once more. This time, we have a decent and consistent result. Use this method if you are not getting the results you want. Repeat this for all the scene images to convert them into videos. What if we add dialogue text to the description? Let's try that. Click Edit Prompt. Copy the dialogue from DeepSeek and paste it here. Click on the Generate Video option and wait for the output. Compare both results. Aside from subtitles, one version shows more expression in the characters, especially the video on the right, strong emotional expressions. So, I will choose that one. Following these steps, I have generated videos for all the scenes. While editing, I noticed that Sora has removed the credit system. Now you can generate unlimited videos. Another update, Sora now includes image generation too. Check out some samples from other creators. Let's test it out. At the bottom, choose the image option. Currently, there are 3 aspect ratios, and you can generate 2 images at a time. Select a style. Paste the text prompt and click on this button for the generation. Here is the result. These images look amazing. Let's switch the style to Pixar using the Edit Prompt option. Here are the images. They match the prompt well. Now, select one image as a reference and generate more to check for character consistency. Let's copy this text. Paste the same prompt. You can also use the brush option for more details. Click Generate. You can notice that our character remains consistent. Let's choose this image and paste another text prompt. This time, I am using a more detailed text. And look at the results, coherent and consistent with the story. In my upcoming videos, I will share a full tutorial on this, along with other ChatGPT use cases. Let's move on to the voiceover part. First, generate the voiceover script by writing this text in a DeepSeek. Now we have the voiceover script. For voiceovers, we will use the 11 labs. From the library, choose a voice that fits your story. Apply filters to refine the options.
You're right. I think we've figured...
It was a nice day as far as Mondays go.
For this video, I've selected the Daniel voice. Paste the script and click Generate.
Deep in the heart of an ancient forest where sunlight danced through the trees, young Leo stood at the threshold of a secret older than time.
Just like that, you have a voiceover. Here's a quick guide for adding emotions to the voice. Copy the dialogue, generate its voice,
Whoa, these crystals, they're magical.
and download it. To add emotions, go to this voice changer tool. Upload a voice that has emotions. This could be your own or from another tool. Here's the result.
Whoa, these crystals, they're magical.
An emotional voiceover. Here's the original one.
Whoa! These crystals, they're magical.
You can use this trick to add emotional depth to your voiceovers. Let's generate the sound effects with 11 labs. First, we will ask DeepSeek to provide sound effects suggestions for the script. Here they are, scene by scene. Let's copy this text and go to 11 labs. Choose this sound effects option. Paste your text here and click the Generate button. Here are 4 samples. Pick your favorite. Let's copy this detailed text and paste it here. Here we go. Amazing sound effects. Apart from using free options like Pixabay, this is another great method. For editing, I used CapCut. Editing is simple and straightforward. I added all the video clips, sound effects, and voiceovers to the timeline. Then added the basic transitions, text, and background music. You can always add more effects for an enhanced result. What do you think of this video? Share your thoughts in the comments. That's all for this video. If you found it helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content. Here is the final video.
Deep in the heart of an ancient forest, where sunlight danced through the trees, young Leo stood at the threshold of a secret older than time itself. A cave, hidden by vines and whispered about in his grandfather's stories. The moment Leo touched the glowing crystals, he knew this was no ordinary cave. The walls hummed with energy, and for the first time, he saw the world not as it was, but as it could be. But the caverns were not unguarded. From the shadows emerged a creature of eyes and echoes, a guardian who'd watched centuries of explorers come and fail. Red crystals for strength, blue for breath beneath the waves. With each gift came a choice: take the power or respect its price. The central crystal showed him the truth. Power reveals who you are, it seemed to say. Will you be brave enough to walk away? As the walls trembled and the crystals dimmed, Leo realized the cave wasn't testing his courage, but his heart. And so, with nothing but a single crystal and a lesson etched into his soul, Leo stepped back into the light, no longer just an explorer,